Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your system matches the installer. Windows Edition and 32 versus 64-bit matter because wrong packages won't register files. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator to allow system-level DLL and registry rights. Make sure to close games and disable antivirus temporarily so files aren't blocked. This reduces conflicts and permissions failures. If an on-screen error appears immediately, note the error code. It points to missing prerequisites or write permission issues that we resolve next. Now you tackle the middle work, dependencies and corrupted system components. First, apply Windows Update patches because Directx installers often rely on platform updates. This prevents version mismatches. Next, run System File Checker with sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt to repair core Windows files that the installer expects. If specific DLLs are still missing, extract the installer files to a folder, identify the missing DLL names, and copy the correct DLLs into System32 or SysWOW64, matching your system. Finish by rebooting to ensure replaced files are active, then run the Directx installer again, check Event Viewer or the install log for success entries to confirm the outcome. If it still fails, install Visual C++ redistributables and the latest NET updates because many Directx components depend on those runtimes. Make sure to try a clean boot to eliminate startup conflicts. If nothing works, use System Restore to a point before the issue or perform a Windows repair install. This is the reliable fallback when
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.